Very warm welcome to this course. This is very introductory course, Introduction to Computer Science, C++ programming, and you do not need to have any prerequisite. I mean, if you are totally naive to the computer science, you do not know anything about computer science, you can take this course. So this is the first and basic course of computer science. So in this course, we will learn how to program our logic to and how to talk to the computer. So the first question is, how can we talk to a computer? And that is really a very interesting question. How can we talk to a computer? Because to talk to a computer, we need to understand computer's language. So we need to know what is computer's language. Computer's language is a binary language. That is, the computer language comprises only two digits, 0 or 1. So these 0 and 1 are the alphabets of computer language. Like in English, we have 26 alphabets. Same way, computer has only 2 alphabets. So if you talk to computer, you need to say anything at all only using these two numbers. So if I write A, computer will store this alphabet as like this. So every word of your talk, every letter, every sentence is ultimately translated into binary language, and so because computer only understands a binary language. So now the problem is, how can we remember these binary numbers? So it's a really difficult thing. So for that purpose, you need a translator. So we will write program in some programming language, like there are many programming languages out there, like C++, Java, and so on, Python. These programming languages are very near to our human or nature languages. So we will write our code in programming languages, then we will need a translator, which is called compiler, and that compiler will translate the code into machine language or the computer language, which is binary language. So in this course, we are going to write program in C++. So in this course, we will write code in C++. That code will be given to the translator, that is compiler, and compiler will translate that code into binary like this. So ultimately our code will be converted into binary numbers, but we will be writing the code in this C++ code. So be ready to write the code in this language. In the next lecture, we will write the hello world program in C++.